you. Leaning, I'm so in love with you.
Hi Aquarius! Welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August the 26th to August the 27th, 28th reading. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Pabaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And Aquarius, kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions again, yung Babaylan TV, kung di nyo naman po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. So Aquarius, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours, no? So Aquarius, so ang nakikita natin dito, bakit parang ang sinasabi ng puso mo oo na hindi, no? Unpredictable itong mga kwento natin. Sometimes it's inconsistent in a way na parang tapos na hindi pa. So there's actually separations, whether physical or energetic, no? Physical, literally, your person is far from you. Energetic, ito yung parang sinasabi natin, merong miscommunication, misunderstanding. So, minsan namimiss natin sa person, minsan galit, no? So, depende kung ano yung dominant na feeling natin. Minsan kung ano yung dominant, no, na ating nararamdaman. Yun yung nagiging response natin. So, kung nag-uusap-usap yung mga nakikwentuhan natin or pinaghihinahan natin ng sama ng loob, parang hindi nila mapagtagpi-tagpi kung ano yung totoong nangyayari sa'yo. So, sometimes you're happy, sometimes you're missing your person, sometimes galit ka, sometimes ayaw mo nang makita, no? One thing's for sure, there's actually a heightened energy in here with the Five of Swords and the Knight of Swords. Kasi parang feeling mo, ang bilis ng mga pangyayari. Tapos parang feeling mo, ganun na lang ba yun? I feel like para akong natatalo, no? Or para akong natalo. Parang hindi ako binigyan ng chance, no? To give this a good fight. With the Knight of Cups and the Eight of Wands. So, even the communications in here are becoming very slow. Even the, sabihin nating efforts, no? Even the kahit text na lang, medyo napagdadamutan pa tayo. So parang sinasabi natin dito, edi kung ayaw mo, edi huwag, no? May mga panghihinayang, of course. Pero sana kumbaga, you're crossing your finger na sana hindi pa ito yung tapos ng relationship, na sana there will come to a time that your person here is going to probably reach out. Pero kasi meron ng gigil, no? Meron ng inis. Hindi na siya katulad ng dati ng sweet. Ngayon parang bitter-sweet na siya, no? With the Nine of Wands and the Eight of Swords, may mga pagkakataon na parang siguro pakiramdam mo, pinagtataguan ba ako nitong taong ito, no? Edi kung ayaw mo, edi wag. Nakakalungkot. Pero kasi, dahil sa inis mo, parang nakakapagbitaw tayo ng mga salitang, edi wag kung ayaw mo. Tapos, dahil nga ganun yung heighten yung energy natin pag kinuwento natin, ay naku, napakawalang hiya niyan, ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. And then when things sink in, nandun na yung, ay, namimiss ko pala siya. Tapos, kapag may kumausap sa atin, iba na. Sometimes, really, it's parang yung puso natin is, o yung emotion natin, is nasa roller coaster, no? Depende sa height, no? ng emotion. With the Eight of Swords, the Ace of Swords, and the Judgment. At the end of the day, no, kahit away bate, kahit na may mga heightened energy, I think that you would really love, no, for you and your person to have a conversation, not to have a closure, but probably fix, no, itong relationship. Um, let's see. With the three of swords, you're actually hurting, and yung parang the diversion of the hurt is actually more of, wow, the king of swords, the wise one, and the ace of pentacles. So alam mo ang nakikita natin dito, um you are in pain. However, you are in pain, but you're also wanting to, no, try to be the bigger person, be understanding. um wow, kasi with the wise one and the king of swords, parang may contradiction. So dito yung parang nagiging imbalance ang ating nature, no? Hold up. With the king of cups and the six of swords, so parang you're keeping everything to yourself. Um, are you really keeping everything to yourself, and then probably ganito yung nangyayari. Ayaw kitang kausap. Ayoko makipag-usap din sa'yo kung ayaw mo akong kausap. Pero deep inside, ang dami kong gustong sabihin. To a point wherein I can talk all day, no? Um, tingnan nga natin dito yung emotion ni person, or this could also be your what's deep within your heart. Kasi parang feeling ko nangigibabaw lang yung galit, kaya ka I wish you were next to me, and I need some space. So nandito nga ang contradiction, no? Minsan gusto mong mapag-isa. Siguro sinasabi mo, ay, edi wag, kung ayaw mo, edi wag, no? Sasarili ko dyan. Nandiyan lang ako sa sulok or mamamasyal ako. And then kapag ikaw na lang, no, naku, sana nandito si person. Pero pag nandiyan, aawayin mo naman. So ano ba talaga? Is this hormonal? Is this you might be stressed right now? Um, I think that what you need to do here, Aquarius, is know what you truly want in this connection, because it felt like to me you're even confused, no, within yourself, na parang are we feeling complete, no? Baka kasi ang issue is within us. No, I'm not, it's also healthy to have self check, pero itong confusion or yung mood swings natin, I think that it's not actually helping the connection. Let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This could be your sun sign or a placement in their chart. So I am seeing here Sagittarius, Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Scorpio, Leo. Yeah, so this is your reading, no, Aquarius. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Alright? Aquarius, so kilala nyo naman yung sarili ninyo. Kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating description box. Nandun po yung aking link. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Ngayon, makikita nyo po sa screen ng either phone ninyo, no? Hindi kasi siya kasya, ibaba nyo lang ng konti. Nandun po yung mga QR codes. Sa QR code na yun, nandun po yung may mga labels naman siya, how much per question, the name, the number for your reference. And also, I also created a 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no? Pero kung hindi naman kayo nagmamadali, pwede kayong sumali sa ating raffle, no? So sa raffle na yon, all you need to do is to report those fake accounts, and then screenshot po yung reports ninyo, tapos send nyo sa designated email. Ayan. Kung hinahanap nyo po yung ibang readings, nasa Facebook po siya, no? Lalo na if you still care about your exes, no? Ito po yung tinatawag nating X-Files. Ngayon po, Aquarius, kung di nyo mahanap, balik kayo dun sa question form, may mga icons po dun sa taas. Click nyo lang yon, i-route na kayo. Kanya gusto nyo kung i-follow sa Facebook, no? I-follow sa TikTok, click nyo lang yung icons, dadalhin na kayo dun agad sa social media. So, this is your reading, Aquarius. Love and light to you. Namaste po. See you sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.
You want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. 'Cause